In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access sounds and vibration. Then you can tap on sound and click on this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also select vibrate next to sound, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down and tap on cool vibration. Then adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations thanks to this slider. And even tap on the best pattern for you. When you're done, go back, hit notification vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Now it's time to select system vibration. Adjust intensity of system vibrations thanks to this slider. And tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Lastly, after going back, click on vibration intensity and operate all of those sliders to adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations, notifications, system and media ones. Then scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to vibration sound for incoming calls to enable or disable this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!